Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use File Manager Subway. Let's dive right into understanding its layout. First, you'll see the main dashboard, which provides an overview of your storage. Then, locate the navigation panel on the left side, where you can browse different directories. This setup makes finding your documents, photos, and other media straightforward and efficient. We'll cover how to open, view, and manage your files with ease, ensuring you get the most out of this powerful tool. Now let's explore basic file operations. To create a new folder, simply click the New Folder button and give it a descriptive name. Moving files is easy. Select the file, then drag and drop it into your desired destination, or use the Move to option. Copying works similarly, allowing you to duplicate files without affecting the original. Renaming is also straightforward. Right-click a file or folder and choose Rename to update its title for better organization. Beyond the basics, File Manager Subway offers powerful advanced features. Use the search bar at the top to quickly locate any file or folder by name or type. Understanding file permissions is crucial for sharing. You can set who can view or edit your documents, ensuring privacy and control. For larger files, compressing them can save significant storage space, and decompressing is just as simple when you need to access the original content. These tools help you manage your digital life more effectively. Maintaining your files and ensuring their security is paramount. Always back up your important documents and media regularly to an external drive or cloud service. This protects against accidental deletion or system failures. Periodically review your folders and delete any unnecessary files to free up valuable storage space, keeping your system running smoothly. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. Keeping your file manager tidy and secure will make your digital experience much more enjoyable and efficient in the long run.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.